What's up, everybody? My name is Ka'imi Fairbairn, NFL kicker and avid DIYer. So my full name is 56 letters long, Ka'imi no e Aoloa me ka ike o ke kumu pa'a. I grew up in Kailua, Hawaii. My dad was a general contractor. That's what brought me to try it and do it myself. So this is a project I've been working on. It's an outdoor patio table. It's gonna have some ice and some drinks available in the center. There's a lot you can learn from DIY. Start slow, a little bit of pressure will get the screw to grab. Usually there's always something that goes wrong. It's just knowing that things go wrong and being okay with it, being flexible. You go up and down, long strokes, you don't wanna kind of cross grain at all. I definitely have a connection back home. I send them pictures, updates to the house to keep them informed of what's going on over here. Whenever I build something, I tend to take care of it more. It's people around you, they're like, oh, wow, you built that? It means a whole lot more.
For Ka'imi's project and more DIY inspiration from your favorite NFL players, visit Lowe's.com/home team at home.